x, or the variable we are differentiating, is an exponent, right? Taking the logarithm and differentiating implicitly is the simplest way to find the derivative, right? So let's consider an exponential function. Let's say we have y is equal to a to the power x, right? And then we have to differentiate this function with respect to x, right? So the simplest way we can do this is to rewrite this in a logarithm form, right? And then we do the differentiating implicitly, right? So rewriting this in a logarithm form will give us in log of y. So you take the natural in log of both sides. So this will give us in log of y is equal to in log of a to the power x. And we know the rules for logarithm, right? So we are going to have x in a, and then here we are going to have in y, right? So we are going to differentiate this using the chain rule. So if you differentiate this with respect to x, whenever you have something like something like in x, and you differentiate this with respect to x, you are going to have 1 over x times dx over dx, right? So dx over dx is 1, so you are going to have 1 over x. But when you have, let's say, in log of b, and you differentiate this with respect to x, you are going to have 1 over x, right? 1 over b, 1 over b times db over dx. So it's in this format. So here you are going to get 1 over y multiplied by dy over dx. And here a is a constant. A is a constant, right? So it is still in log of a is still the same as in log of a. So you are just going to differentiate x. So differentiating x, you are going to have 1. When you differentiate x, you have 1. So 1 times the in log of a. This is going to give us 1 on y times dy over dx to be equal to the natural log of a. So making dy dx the subject, you are going to multiply through by y. So you multiply here by y, you multiply here by y. So this will cancel this. So you are going to have dy over dx to be equal to y in log of a, the natural logarithm of a, right? And this, but we know that from our question, we know that y is equal to ax. So our dy over dx is going to give us a to the power x in log of a. So this is our solution. So you can write this in the general form that if you have a function, let's say y, to be the in log of f of x, then we can say that dy over the x is equal to dy over the x is equal to the derivative of the function divided by the original function. So this is the general form for logarithm functions. So whenever you have a logarithm function, this is the general form. If you have to find the derivative, you differentiate it, and that you divide it by the original function. That should be your answer. Differentiate the function in the in log divided by the original function. That will be your answer. So let's take an example. So if I have y to be equal to the natural logarithm of 5x squared plus 6x minus 8x to the power 4, right? We know that dy dx is equal to the derivative of the function divided by the original function. So what the original function here is this. So f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 6s minus x to the power 4. So the derivative of this is going to be 10x plus 6 minus 32x cubed. So the derivative of this in log is going to give us this 10x plus 6 minus 32x cubed all over the original function as 5x squared plus 6s minus 8x to the power 4. So this is our solution. This is our answer. See you in our next episode. Bye.